Okay, it's November 22nd, I believe, and some people just pulled up in front of my property, and the sheriff pulled up in front of my property. This is the woman who was here yesterday, who basically was trespassed and refused to leave. Now she's back with a sheriff and a camera. So, okay. Hello. Okay, now we're reading the sign, and I think they want to enter this property, and I don't want them to enter the property, and that's all. So I want to know what they want. They haven't spoken to me yet. Please don't enter the property. Please don't enter the property. There's no trespassing signs posted. I asked you yesterday to get off of this property. You refused to get off. You stayed here. Okay, you're a government official. Do you have a warrant? Because see, under section 3542 of the Indiana Code, you have no right to trespass. You are warned not to trespass on this property. Also, under the Indiana Constitution, I have the right to have under the Fourth Amendment of the United.
I believe that if she thinks there's a health violation going on,
but she has no probable cause to believe that there's a health violation.
So if you have nothing to hide, then you.
But no, that's incorrect. No, it's called, it's not. It doesn't matter if I have something to hide or not. That's not the relevant issue here. The relevant issue is that this is personal property. This is private property. There are no trespassing signs posted. There is no court order. You have no warrant. If you have a warrant, you're passing the property line. Please step back past those posts. Those are the property line, 20 feet from the center of the road, ma'am.
Warrant? Why would she need a warrant?
Well, she obviously needs to see something, but I don't need her trespassing on my property. I don't authorize the trespass. Period. It doesn't matter what I'm doing. I'm moving dirt around. It's my yard. I have the right to move dirt around. I have the right to clean my yard up. That's what I have a right to do.
I don't know. This is more civil than criminal.
If you get a warrant signed by a judge with probable cause, no, you don't have any rights that supersede anybody else's, ma'am. And I'm recording everything here.
No, that's fine.
That's great that you're doing that.
That's excellent. That's excellent.
I do not grant you permission to trespass.
Your unwillingness to cooperate.
I don't need to cooperate. This is the whole point, though. See, I don't need to cooperate. I have constitutional rights under the Indiana Constitution. You have to show me a warrant showing me probable cause and showing me what authorization and what venue you have to come onto my property to trespass. You can't do that without a court order. Why don't you read the Indiana Constitution? You have to have a crime. You have to be investigating. Then you need, but then you need to get a court order, and it better be appropriate warrant. I'm going to just to let you know, I'm already going to sue you for your trespass yesterday. I know you don't care, but that's okay. I'm going to sue you. You refused to get off my property. I had witnesses.
That's fine.
And what is your name on that card? What is it? Julie W. So there's no last name? Julie W? Is that your last name, W?
No, there's a last name. Will you give me your name?
Why do I don't need to give you anything. I don't need to grant you access.
If you don't want to give me your name,
well, it's Julie W. and I have her plate number.
My last name.
You know what? You're a public servant. You're a government official. You have to give me your name if I asked you.
Well,
Freedom of information. Okay.
Is that okay, Lloyd?
I don't grant you access on this property.
Lloyd?
You know, I don't know what you want from me. I'm a man on my property. What do you want from me?
All I want to know is what you're doing.
And I'm telling you, I'm moving some dirt around. It's my property. I don't have to explain anything to you. I'm not doing anything wrong. No, I don't.
If you're not, then let me go look.
I don't need to let you go look. That's the whole point. I'm on my property.
There's no point in arguing anything.
No, get a court order.
Just listen to me.
I will. Sure. Deputy Cooper.
I would feel that if you had nothing to hide, that you wouldn't mind her looking on the property.
That's not the point. Don't you understand what this country was based upon?
Listen to me just for a second. I'm not trying to make any points with you.
Well, I am. It's called the Constitution, both of the state and of the country.
LaPorte County, Indiana. She's looking out for everybody's health in LaPorte County.
There's no probable cause to think that I'm doing anything to hurt anybody. Okay, really? Under what grounds? Because somebody called? Because somebody doesn't like me? Oh, why? My goodness! So if I call on anybody to say anything, you're gonna get a probable cause to get on the property. Go do it.
I would suggest.
Go do it.
So,
I don't have to cooperate under the law. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not committing any crimes.
if you need more, unless your bylaws simply state that they exceed trespassing laws or something.
Oh, if you do that, I already warned you. Go. I've already warned you about the trespass.
Right.
If your bylaws say that.
I know I have the right to be here to be on this property, and I can walk back.
If I allow you to, but I'm not allowing you to.
Whether or not he cooperates.
So you're just afraid that he's going to attack you?
Oh, okay. Is that what that I'm hearing this right? You're afraid that I'm going to attack you? You have no right to enter my property. Okay, oh, amazing. You're coming, and you're also coming onto my property.
So I'm standing here just making sure.
Okay, she's entering onto my property. I told you to get off. Man, lady, you know you are screwed. Gosh, are you gutsy? This is unbelievable. We're going to see what are you doing, lady? Are you going to do your job and get her off my property, Deputy Cooper? Get her off my property. You have a sworn duty to uphold the law. You know that she's committing a criminal trespass right now. Are you getting her off my property?
It doesn't appear that way.
Okay, Deputy Cooper refuses. Deputy Cooper, I'm glad you believed it. Let's see what the courts believe. Oh my gosh. My gosh. This is absolutely incomprehensible, man. You don't know what the Indiana State Constitution is. You don't know that she's going to make me rich right now. You guys are unbelievable. You know, I was afraid for my life and my safety today, and you let this woman just walk on my property because you think that she has the right.
Why you're afraid for your
Because you think that she has the, because you're trespassing on my property. Under the Fourth Amendment law, I have the right to be secure in my person and my possessions, and you're not doing your job. I can't believe this.
going in your house.
Yes, you are. You don't understand the property line. Is my property. That's it.
But if she
Oh God, you know, I can't believe you're doing this. I'm gonna. Oh God, you guys are a trip. You guys are a trip. All right, he's staying on the line. He's not doing his job. She's walking around my property taking pictures. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. God, lady, you got some big ball heads. You know that? You're something else. She's taking pictures of whatever, of me moving dirt around in my yard. And she's refusing to leave my property because she says she has the right. Oh my God, I can't believe this violation of what she thinks she is. This is incomprehensible. But this is great, you know. I mean, are you leaving now? Or are you gonna stay?
No, I'm gonna stay for as long as I need to.
As you need to. Okay, well, she's staying here. Well, I'm gonna record this till the battery goes dead. Because she's just gonna take pictures and she's gonna walk around, stay as long as, boy. All right, this is gonna go straight to Bill Maher's show too. This is gonna be pretty interesting. You're probably gonna be on TV, lady. It's amazing. You're incomprehensible. I can't believe you don't understand what this country is. You don't have a clue of what the rule of law is, do you? You don't. You're amazing. Oh, now Deputy Cooper.
Well on your property?
Now Deputy Cooper is standing on my property, and now there's another sheriff coming here. Let's see if they're going to walk on my property.